Good morning. This is, I just walked into a spider web. Well, I just wanted to videotape and say hello to y'all from Maui. We're on the east side towards Hana, where the surfers are, where all the turtles are too. So I have some new friends. They're from Bulgaria, but they live in France, and they're amazing. Betty and Eugenie right over there, and I'll let y'all see them in a minute. But look, this is our hike today. Look how cool. There's turtles down there. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know what you see right now. Oh yeah, turtles, turtle. And surfers. And the West Maui Mountains. I live over there. Look how clear it is. The moon's up there. Yep. This is living now. Alabama to Hawaii here. I am. I made it. I'm so excited. I'm going to come up here so y'all get to meet my new best friends. Y'all say hello.
Hey, hello, aloha.
We're on video. What do y'all want to say?
Hello from Hawaii and aloha.
Everything on apple with chocolate.
Oh.
Full with chocolate.
Yeah, alright, but you have brown around your lips.
I know.
Alright.
Yeah.
What was this in the menu? We saw poo poo,
Oh,
barbecue.
poo-poo.
Barbecue, poo poo, barbecue.
Poo-poo is American, Hawaiian. What other food was it?
Chinese.
Chinese, American, and Hawaiian platter all together is poo-poo.
Yeah, so
If you want poo-poo, you gotta come out here.
have it in Hawaii, dude.
So beautiful.
Look at the mountains back there. Oh, and it says I love you. That's where we're hiking, up there where it says I love you.
Yeah, we can go actually all the way down to the rock.
They're hanging out.
On the flip
Give them
side.
an apple, Betty, they will chop your fingers off.
Don't
do
go.
that. Don't do that. Aloha.
Bye-bye. Mahalo for watching.